How to trade on OKX. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start trading. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle we can see this trade button. Simply tap on trade, so a different interface will pop up. So this is the section where you can trade, sell and buy. Here on the top you'll be able to see the company's name, so tap on it. So these are the company lists that are available, so you can even add them to favorites or simply swipe and you can view the one that you like. So simply tap on the one and it will be popped up. So here you can see the trading lines that are available here, so you can indicate and know where the trading line is going. And here you can see the option called buy and sell. Here you'll be able to see limit orders and the prices and how you can buy it. So this is the way how you start trading in OKX. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.